Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain you the concept of what do you mean by cryptography and what are the basic terminologies of cryptography. So first of all we will see what do you mean by cryptography. So cryptography is the term which is derived from two words, that is crypto plus graphy. So that is the combination of crypto plus graphy, it becomes cryptography. So crypto means a secret and graphy means we are writing something. So whenever the term cryptography comes into the picture, that is the study of secret writing. And here we are developing some algorithms that may use to deal with the data, and our data will be converted into unreadable format. Suppose you have one message and the message will be transferred from sender to the receiver. So whenever the data will be sent from sender to the receiver, that time the privacy or secrecy will be maintained by sender as well as receiver. So how this privacy and secrecy will be maintained? Suppose for example you have your plain text data and that will be sent by the sender. So we have some encryption and decryption techniques are available. With the help of that, our data will be converted into another format. Suppose we are using the concept of encryption, that time our plain text will be converted into ciphertext. And here during the decryption, our ciphertext will be converted into back to plain text. So based on the encryption and decryption techniques, we can convert our message into one form to another format. Due to this, we can maintain the secrecy and privacy of that data. It also verifies the correctness of the message to the recipient side. So we are maintaining the authentication as well as integrity of the data. So with the help of cryptography, we can maintain the privacy, that is confidentiality of the data, then second one, we can maintain the authentication as well as integrity of the data. So when it can say our system is secure, when we are following the CIA traits, that is confidentiality, integrity and availability, that time we can say that our system is secure. So cryptography is nothing but we are writing our data in the secret format with the help of different algorithms. So here are the basic terminologies of our cryptography. The first one is the term cryptography. So cryptography is the art of science of writing our original message into encoded format. So our transforming our intelligible message into unintelligible format, that is called as cryptography. And again, we are retransforming the message back to its original format, that is also called as a cryptography. The second term is plaintext. So plaintext is the term that is our original message. So whenever our plaintext will be converted into ciphertext, so ciphertext is called as a transform message. And with the help of encryption, we can convert our plaintext data into ciphertext data. So ciphertext is our transform message and plaintext is our original message. So this is our original message and this is our transform data. Now the fourth term is cipher. So cipher is a kind of algorithm, and with the help of this algorithm, we can convert our plaintext data into ciphertext data as well as our ciphertext data into plaintext data. And for this purpose, we are using some transposition techniques and substitution techniques. And fifth one will be the key. So key will be that is the critical information that will be used by the cipher, that is algorithm. And with the help of these keys, we can convert our data. And that key will be known to only sender and the receiver. So as we previously known that we are maintaining the secrecy and privacy of our information. So how we are maintaining the secrecy of our data? Sender and receiver will know only the value of the key. Now the sixth term is in cipher, that is encoding. So encoding means we are converting our plain text into ciphertext with the help of cipher, that is our algorithm, and key. So these two things will be required, that is cipher and the key. So whenever we are encrypting our information, that time we are taking our plain text, that is our original message. We are using encryption algorithm, and for this encryption algorithm we require one key, and with the help of key we are transferring the message into our ciphertext format. That is called as in cipher. Next term is decipher, that is decoding. Here we are converting our ciphertext data back to its plain text format. So we have our ciphertext, and whenever we are decrypting the data, we also require cipher, that is our algorithm, as well as key. And we are converting our ciphertext into plain text. So in cipher, that is encryption, is called as plain text will be converted into ciphertext. And in case of a decipher, that is decoding, that is the process of converting our ciphertext into plain text. Now next term is cryptanalysis, that is code breaking. Here we are following some principles, some methods. By using the principles and method, we are doing a code breaking. That means we are transforming our unintelligible message back to its intelligible format without the knowledge of the key. So we don't have the key, and still also we are breaking our data into unintelligible data into intelligible message format. That is called as a cryptanalysis. It is also known as a code breaking. And the last term is, that is cryptology. So cryptology is the combination of cryptography and cryptanalysis. So here in case of a cryptography, what we have learned, we can convert our plain text message to ciphertext, and we can convert our ciphertext message to plain text. But here we are using the concept of cipher as well as key. But in case of a cryptanalysis, what we are doing? In case of a cryptanalysis, we don't have the knowledge of the key. So without knowledge of the key, our unintelligible message will be converted into intelligible format. So that is the combination of cryptography and cryptanalysis. It's called as a cryptology. So these are the basic terminologies are given in the concept of cryptography. So whenever the term cryptography comes into the picture, you can remember cryptography is the combination of crypto plus graphy. So crypto means secret and graphy means writing. So we are writing a secret thing with the help of different algorithms. And these algorithms are developed to maintain the confidentiality, integrity, and authenticity of our data. And that data will be available to the correct user whenever it is required.